Welcome to English Quiz Channel. Total questions 20. You have 10 seconds for each question. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time. Let's get started.
My uncle washed the car yesterday. She always goes to the gym on Mondays. They are playing football right now. We went to the concert last night. The book is on the table. He does his homework every day. I made a sandwich for lunch. They have finished their project. The dog barked at the stranger. We go to the park every weekend. He wrote a letter to his friend. The children are at the playground. She washed the dishes after dinner. I left my keys on the table. The sun shines brightly today. He cleaned his room yesterday. They watched the movie last night. The cake tastes delicious. We had dinner at the new restaurant. She wore a beautiful dress.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this mixed English grammar quiz and learned something new today. If you had fun, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quizzes and learning content.